Hi, welcome to Merced County Department of Child Support Services Customer Orientation. Today I want to share information with you about the services provided by the local child support agency. We're going to talk about the process of establishing a child support order and also what your responsibilities are as a parent or guardian in a child support case. The life cycle of a child support case begins with intake, and then establishing a child support order, enforcing the court order, and then case closure. An intergovernmental case goes through the same workflow, but with cooperation from another state. Services available at your local child support agency include establishing parentage, establishing child support orders, establishing health insurance coverage orders, enforcing child support and health insurance orders, and also adjusting child support orders. Services are automatic for children receiving CalWORKs or for children in foster care, and there's no charge for services. Non-CalWORKs or Medi-Cal only families must apply for services. You can request an application in person or over the phone, or go online at www.childsupport.ca.gov. There's a $35 annual service fee, which is assessed each October if $500 or more is collected in the prior fiscal year. Services we are unable to provide are custody, visitation, divorce orders, restraining orders, or even establishing spousal support. But if you need these services, you can contact your local court. In Merced, you can go to the Self-Help Center at 2260 N Street. Our customers. Our customers are the parents paying support, or PPS, and that's the parent without primary physical custody. You may have a shared custody or visitation agreement. You may be ordered to pay support, and you could be the mother or the father of the children. The party receiving support, or PRS, is the parent or party who has primary physical custody, may be entitled to receive support, and you could be the mother, the father, the guardian, or a foster care agency. The terms are used to distinguish the parent who may pay child support from the parent who may receive child support. During the intake process, your application for child support services is received. The applicant could be the person receiving support or the person paying support. We may also receive a referral from the Human Services Agency because your children are receiving CalWORKs or your children are in foster care. During the intake process, your child support case is opened, and we conduct an interview with the parents or guardian of the children. We gather information on both parties, and non-compliance may result in a reduction of your CalWORKs benefit. So make sure you are able to get in contact with your child support case manager. You can call 866-901-3212, or you may have a direct phone number to your case manager. Your child support order may include orders for paternity, health insurance coverage, and child support, and some child support orders also include provisions for child care and medical support. Establishing parentage provides your child with Social Security and veterans benefits if available, inheritance rights, access to family medical history, and allows the father's name to be placed on the birth certificate. Parentage is at issue when your child was conceived prior to marriage or there was no marriage, no previous court order established parentage, or no voluntary declaration of parentage was signed or it was signed by minors. Your court order will also establish health insurance coverage. This orders both parents to provide health insurance coverage. It requires the person paying support to add the children to the health insurance coverage if available through employment and pay the premiums. And it requires both parents to share equally healthcare costs not covered by insurance. Although health insurance coverage is ordered, it may not be enforceable. Child support is calculated using the father's gross income, the mother's gross income, and visitation time the parent paying support has with the children. Some other deductions include mandatory retirement, union dues, and the cost of health insurance premiums. Some child support orders include provisions for child care. Go to childsupport.ca.gov/guideline-calculator to get more information. The next step in establishing your child support order is service of the legal paperwork. The parent who may be ordered to pay support will receive a summons and complaint and a proposed judgment regarding parental obligations. We may send you a courtesy letter to arrange for service at your local child support agency, or you may be served by mail. If you are served by mail, don't forget to sign and return the notice of acknowledgement, or you may be served at home or work by a process server. When you receive your summons and complaint, take a very good look at the information you received. Your summons and complaint will provide your child support case number, your court case number, and the names of the children and the legal action requested and the begin date of the legal action. It'll also include the monthly amount of support requested and the information you need in regards to establishing health insurance coverage. The proposed judgment regarding parental obligations mirrors the summons and complaint, and this will become legally binding unless you file an answer to complaint in 30 days. You will also receive an answer to the complaint. The answer allows you to agree or disagree to parentage, request genetic testing, agree or disagree to child support, and if you disagree, please state the reason why you disagree. At the top of the complaint, make sure you fill in with your contact information. On the back of the answer, complete with your address and your phone number, date and sign your name, and return it to the child support agency, or you can file it with the court. So what should you do when you're served? As soon as possible, no later than 30 days from the date of service. Contact your child support specialist who can assist you. You can return your completed answer to the child support office, or you can file your answer at the Merced Family Law Court. And don't forget to give your local child support agency a copy. Your child support specialist can help you prepare a revised child support calculation if you have new information to provide, prepare a stipulation, which is an agreement, schedule genetic testing, and also schedule a court hearing if that's what you need. There are 3 ways to secure a child support order. Parents may sign a stipulation without a court appearance. A court hearing may be held, which means all parties appear and the court commissioner makes a final decision. Or a judgment by default, which means 30 days after service and there was no response received from the parent who may be paying support. Once your child support order is obtained, your employer will receive an income withholding order. This instructs your employer on how much to deduct and where to send the payments, which is the California State Disbursement Unit. Your employer will also receive a National Medical Support Notice, which advises your employer to enroll your child or children on health insurance coverage and begin deducting the premiums. All child support payments are processed through the California State Disbursement Unit in Sacramento. If you're self-employed, you're responsible for making payments on your own. Child support payments can be made using a credit or debit card, using your bank account, PayPal, MoneyGram, PayNearMe, or using a kiosk in the local child support office. Child support payments can be received by an electronic payment card or EPC, or by direct deposit in your checking or savings account. I know this was a lot of information, and if you have any additional questions, please contact us. We're available Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can call and schedule an appointment or just walk in. We're also available by phone at 866-901-3212, or you can contact us by reaching us on our website at www.merceddcss.com. Thank you.